Wetness. Wetness everywhere. Ooh, I got a couple good night crawlers in that. Here, little buddy. Go be a big worm. Actually, I want the clay. Oh, it looks ugly. Wow. A few of you guys in there. What you doing? Well, trying to make an example here. Of how life can be sometimes. Maybe not for all you all, but for me it has been. Start out. Just look like an ugly bunch of mud. Because they're not fully formed yet. You're like, okay, this doesn't make sense. It will. Maybe. Through experience, life is ugly. But through shaping, refinement, a little bit of dirt work, it gets better. I've heard this amazing term called broken vessel. And you're right. Aren't we all? Boy, it's ugly at first. If I was gonna truly make this into a bowl or a cup, there'd be some more steps, like going through the fire. That's for sure. But right now, I'm just using this as an example. Broken vessel still holding water, ain't it? A lot easier to do it with dirt than it is with ash. Over time, this will go back to being dirt, sure. That's how my life's been. Trying to make a usable vessel with ash. Instead of being shaped and formed through experiences, to be a vessel that can hold the water. Have a blessed day.